Afternoon all. So, bit of an update for you on ClickASnap. This is video 8. Just to let you know some of the stats and figures and a few of the bits and bobs following on from the last video. But from the last video to now, Flickr have decided that they're going to double their Pro account subscription costs. So it's now going to cost you £100 or $100 basically to have 1,000 photos or more on their site. £100. And what do you get back for that? Nothing. ClickASnap, if you do want to do the Pro account, you can do the Pro account. Basically, it'll cost you £5 a month. And basically, you get to be able to sell stuff, you'll be able to get, you know what I mean? It's just, for me, it's a no-brainer. But that's me. So these are the things that you'll be looking at. Like I say, you pay £5 a month, you're able to sell, you get paid for views on your photos. You don't have to have the Pro account, you can have the free account. I know it's a pain in the backside only having to upload 7 photos, but even if you did, you had free and ultimate uploads, and you did it for a month, and all you did is uploaded for a month solid. No, not being funny, but you can upload 30, 40, 50 photos quite easily at once. Yes, it takes a bit of time, but with the technology that ClickASnap has, to do some of the keywords for you, all you've got to do is basically the title and description. But do that. Pay for a month, upload 1,000 photos. After that month, drop it down to the free account and see what happens. I can guarantee, well, I can't guarantee you, but I can probably tell you within the first month you'll get your £1 back. Alright? Yes, it'll take you a while. You can't withdraw it until you get $15. And the reason they're paying dollars is because that's how they get paid. When they pay you, they basically transfer it into pounds. So it makes no difference. But anyway, let's have a look at some stats and figures. I've now been on there for just over 13 weeks. 650 photos. People who are following me or subscribing to me or whatever you want to call it. 273. I've got over 5k views and 3.3k likes on my photos. So a bit of everything. I've been doing this since I started. For my own benefit. I wasn't thinking about doing this on there. But anyway. So I've already told you about that bit. At the moment, we're on day 94. And I've made £4.75. $4.75. Alright, it ain't a lot, and I keep on telling people, this isn't a get rich quick scheme, you know what I mean? But when you're directing people to your site, or to ClickASnap, you're actually getting paid for them viewing a photo. They've got to be on it for 5 seconds. 5 seconds isn't a lot of time, and then you get paid for that view. And that's how you get this. I've spoken to Tom, the CEO, and since December, I'm going to show you this. Since December, so this is December's figures. Yeah, so sign-ups, images uploaded, you know what I mean? Basically, this is all column knowledge. You can go onto their forums, you can have a look at this lot. I've just got it up as a for instance. So this is December's. In January, they doubled basically what they were selling, what they were using for advertising. So, for instance, if they were paying £100 in December, in January they paid £200. Yeah, it's not £200. It'll be more like £100,000 or whatever. Anyway, so this is January's figures, and as you can see, the users have gone up. Everything's gone up. So the advertising, or the money they're spending on the advertising, is working really well. It's bringing more and more people in, and as you can see, I mean, the users itself, 52,000, has gone up a hell of a lot. Sign-ups up, image uploads up, images sold doubled. So the images sold has doubled by them basically doubling their amount that they're spending on advertising. Images viewed, just under 1 million photos were viewed on the site. Okay, considering that's nearly doubled as well. It's about up by, I don't know what, 40% ish. So they're going on the right way. Now I know when I spoke to Tom's basically turned around and said that in February they've upped it again by 50%. So if December's was 100, January's were 200, February's they've upped it by 50%, it's now 300. So we should all see the benefits of that. I've never done a month by month comparison, but I suppose I should do. It wouldn't be hard to do. Just another column, but I might do that for the next video and just do a month comparison and see if it's actually doing any difference to me. I mean, I've just done a run in total, so let's just have a quick look. Where are we here? So we were on 471 there. So in a month, quick arithmetic. You know what I mean? So we're talking about 160 there. Well, January's was slow. 191. 120. Well, 190, 120. So it has gone up by about 60. I don't know, 60% or something like that. But the benefits, it'll be excellent. So that's the update done. I'm going to show you how people have asked on the forums and asked me privately. When you're on the pro account, you get 100 credits to spend on advertising your profile on ClickASnap. So the way to do it is you go into the feed, get more followers, and there's my credits which I've got. So type in that. So I'm using 100 credits. It's cost me nothing, and basically it'll advertise me until I get 25 new followers, and you hit confirm. 100 credits, price is nothing, 25 new followers, and that's it. Basically, it says there, you have promoted your profile for 25 followers. So 25 followers will start following me, and then that'll be done. You get that every month. And how it works is when you're doing this, it'll come up on when people look at their feeds. It comes up on the side here, who to follow and what have you. Now I have noticed on my account, and probably others will notice this as well, when people are liking photos on this, it's not actually counting for a paid view. So when you actually look at some of my uploads, you can see, there you go, 5 people have liked that photo, but I haven't been paid for any of them, but I've only got one real view on it. So what that means is they're not clicking through to the photo and I'm not getting paid for it. So a bit of advice for the people who own ClickASnap: if you're going to do that, click on the photo itself and scroll through. It's not breaking the rules, it's not breaking the law, and it's perfectly fine, because I've already discussed this with Tom. So if that's what you just want to do and just like things, that's fine. I don't mind that. I'll go through. I like photos. I don't like for like. I don't do that. I'll do a few here and there, the things that I do like, but that's just me. So that's about it, guys. There's updates coming, I know that, in the next couple of weeks. One for the product thingies. Auto product is coming in, but that's not going to be for a couple of weeks. We've got an update coming up just for the products itself, because there was a couple of glitches in it. Please bear in mind, this site it might have been going for 2 or 3 years, but everything that they're trying to do now is new. It's never been done before, so paying for someone looking at a photo and all that lot, there's a lot of stuff that goes on in the background. Me personally, this is going to be the way forward. from what I can see and what I've spoke to Tom about and what I can't say nothing about, it's fine. I can just see this kicking off big time, and I can see it going through the roof, and I just can't. I'm 100% in with it. I pay me £5 a month, and I'm happy to do that. Like I say, 17p a day makes no difference. I don't care. So that's the stats and the figures. Keep an eye out for other things coming up. I'll be doing another review or another video probably around 100 or day 100. But at the moment I'm doing, I mean, it varies, but it's about 5 cents average a day. I'm doing it, even though that's not, but it works out to be about 5 cents a day. So keep on watching, boys and girls. Subscribe, give us a like, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Laters. Bye now.